dun, 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 dun.
Right now I'm getting dropped down into Australia's most dangerous tropical rainforest. Whoa! That was a fast landing. First time experiencing it. Hi, I'm 8010. I'm Grylls' brother, and I'm going to show you how to survive in Australia's most dangerous tropical rainforest. Let's get a move on. These bush are so annoying. You gotta get these bush away. They have these poisonous sting. They can sting you and you'll stay paralyzed until you die. It's pretty dry out here, even though it's a rainforest. Oh yeah, right now I need to find where north is and where south is. So if you look at the sun, it's about west and that's east over here. So south will be over there, so we're heading south. So
Dun, 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 dun.
I'm just trying to find some food because it's about to get dark. It's about like 2 AM now. I'm getting tired, need some food. Hey, look at that, come here. Lucky enough, in the tropical rainforest, you can actually find these grub trees. You can find these new delicious grub. And you just have to bite the head off, spit it out, just... But it has a lot of proteins in it. But yeah, I'm just gonna take a few with me for later. The grubs are actually disgusting, but I still need to find some food with high calcium. So to find some good food, you just need to pray to God. See, that's what I mean. You just gotta pray to God and hope you get a banana in your hand.
Thank you, Jeebus.
Let's go move on. Okay, it's been 2 hours. It's 4 AM now. I haven't had any rest. I need to build a shelter as soon as possible. Okay. See these sticks? They're called pine tree sticks. You can actually build really good shelters with them since they're really strong. So yeah, there's a stick here. You can actually just get it. I just use some of these dead leaves for some waterproof for the shelter. That's about it. So I'm just gonna have some rest. Oh, I just had the worst sleep ever. It's been raining the whole day and it's just not waterproof enough. But I just have to move on. Houses, signs of civilization. Better get a move on. Oh, I'm tired. I need rest.
You just slept.
I've been resting for about 3 hours. I'm so tired. Because I had the worst night's sleep ever. So, just having a break. Get the fire out. Quick, come here. See these? This is a meerkat's home. That's where they live. If you go behind the back, you can actually catch them. Oh wait, I'm tired. If you're lucky enough, you can find meerkats in there. Oh, see these leaves? They're called poison ivies. You can just chuck it in there and poison them out. Oh. Okay. No, I just think we're not lucky enough. There's no meeting house today. Oh! There's some ducks over there. I really need to find a weapon to kill them. So. See these sticks? They're really strong. Aborigines used to use them. So I'm going to use that to kill the duck. But this one's too heavy. I need this. Let's go. That's good. Let's go. See this place? Signs of civilization. This is how it's done. So, good journey. See you later, guys.
Dun, 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 dun.